So what we've got is LRC1, we've got our Brucle brush and our terry towel. So let's have a look. I mean, over there we've already done a little bit of cleaning on the other side, which is quite amazing, the difference. And we're just going to show you a bit of a demo as to how good it is, you know, and effective that the cleaning is. So spray some on. And just lightly agitate the cleaner, like so. You can actually see the dirt on here as the cleaner's running down and eating into the dirt. You're not putting a great deal of pressure on doing this, it's just a very, very light agitation. People often ask us how good is our leather cleaner, and what we're trying to demonstrate to you today is exactly how good LRC1 is combined with our Brucle cleaning brush. There's no, as you can see, I'm hardly putting any pressure on here whatsoever. We're just lightly going over the surface. You don't need to apply stacks of pressure to clean leather. You just need to gently wipe it over the surface. And we're going to reveal in a second the difference between this clean section and obviously the top dirty section. So let's just wipe some of this dirt away. You can sort of see what's coming off, it's absolutely staggering. We just want to prove to you exactly how good LRC1 is and why it is the preferred leather cleaner for the automotive and furniture industry around the world. This is why people rave on so much about LRC1, and this is why we love our products, because the beauty of leather repair company products is they're all British, they're all made in England, and they're just fantastic products. They do exactly what they say on the tin. We're very proud of our products and we strive to continually improve them at all times. So let's just give that a bit of a dry. It's quite cold today, so I'm going to give it a bit of a dry with a hairdryer before I take the tape off, just to show you you know, the differences between the two. I'm sure you can see the difference already. So that feels nice and dry now. Obviously, LRC1 is what's been used, the LRC1 Leather Cleaner with the Brucle brush and the terry towel. So let's have a look, see the difference. That's the difference. That's why LRC1 is a world-class leading product to the automotive and furniture industry. It is the product that's preferred by classic car enthusiasts all over the world. LRC1 Leather Cleaner can be purchased directly from our website. Go to shop.leatherrepaircompany.com. The difference is the difference. That is outstanding. Thank you very much, guys.